The following segment is sponsored by Front Door. As the seasons change, it's almost inevitable a major home system or appliance like your fridge or HVAC will break down, and repairs can be costly. Luckily, a home warranty can help cover those expenses. Meredith is here to explain the benefits, what's covered, and how home warranties work. Welcome to the show, Meredith. It's so good to see you.
Thank you for having me.
Yes, of course. So what is a home warranty and what does it actually cover?
A home warranty is a yearly protection plan that covers the systems and appliances in your home that you rely on every day. Things like your AC, washer, and dryer. A home warranty steps in and helps cover the cost when these things that are often very expensive to repair break down.
Yes, very true. Okay, how is a home warranty different from homeowners insurance, and do you need both?
That's a great question. There's a lot of confusion between the two. Your home insurance covers things that might happen, such as damage from a natural disaster like a hurricane or a tornado or even a fire. A home warranty covers things that will happen, such as your AC not cooling or your refrigerator going out. In fact, you're about 25 times more likely to use your home warranty than you are your homeowner's insurance. They really complement one another. By having a home warranty and your homeowner's insurance, you're providing the most comprehensive coverage for your most valuable asset, your home.
Okay, that helps break it down. Thank you. And how does a home warranty benefit a homeowner, in your opinion?
There are a number of benefits to having a home warranty. Like I just mentioned, for many Americans, their home is their most valuable asset. And if you're anything like me, you spend the bulk of your time in your home, so these items do break down from all the usage. One of the best benefits is that they help protect you from a hit to your savings. It's not a matter of if something's going to break down, it's when. And when something does break down, you're more financially prepared with a home warranty. We also provide peace of mind. Owning a home is stressful. I know, I'm a homeowner. I'm also a mom and I work full time. So I don't always have time to search for a reputable repair technician. That's where we come in. That's where American Home Shield helps. We do the work for you to find a vetted and reputable repair technician to come out to your home and get you back up and running.
Giving you peace of mind. Now, what types of homeowners should purchase a home warranty?
A home warranty is for every homeowner. If you live in an older home, one of the great things about American Home Shield is that we cover your items regardless of the age. However, if you live in a new home, those things unfortunately still will break down. So regardless of the type of homeowner you are, we have flexible plans and pricing to help you get what you need.
Such a good idea to have. Meredith, where can we go to learn more?
Please visit us at ahs.com. There you can learn more about our coverage, get a free quote, and even enroll today.
Perfect. Meredith, thank you for joining us today. Wonderful information. Great to see you.
Thank you for having me.